Hello student, in this video we have created our first post in our WordPress website. So log into our WordPress website dashboard. So from here you see the new, and from here you create your post, media or pages, and you create your user. So from here you click on post, so you create a new post, and from here you see the posts, and from here you see all the posts, all the categories, tags, and edit a new post. So click edit new post, and our WordPress blog editor is open. So it is my job website, and I have downloaded a job from a newspaper. So from this job I have researched a keyword, and my keyword is that junk classified jobs in Karachi today. So I copy this keyword and then paste here. So right click and paste as plain text, not to paste. So plain is paste is, again paste here, paste is plain text. So it is a paste, junk classified jobs in Karachi today as in 11 Sept 2022. So it is my title, right? From here I write my title, and from here I have write my paragraph. You also choose from here. You also choose from here your paragraph, or also choose from here your paragraph. So click on it, and then paragraph, or search here paragraph. The term you want to search right here, and then it will be visible with relevant keyword. So click on paragraph. So the paragraph is open, and then click on it, cross it. So I have write about its job. So I write some sentences about my jobs. So I write about some description of my title, and from here you click to see the all settings of your blog editor. And it is a small font, I want to enlarge it. So click on large, medium, click on medium, and it have large. You also, it is customized. From customize it is by 20, and you also it is maximize or minimize from here, right? So the medium is 20, right? From here you change the link color, background color, or text color, right? Now I want to edit this pic to my post. So press enter to enter into the new blog. So from here I double click, not to, yeah, from here you click on, right, and then gallery, search gallery, right, and click on gallery. Gallery will be open, close it, right, and from here you select images, and from here you upload images. Select images mean the images already in gallery, and upload from in your PC or your online, from mean that Google Drive or Dropbox. So from here I upload my image. My image is on desktop, and the folder jobs in Karachi. Open this and check on it and open it, and the page will be open. And from this area my picture is uploaded, right? Our picture is uploaded. Now I copy my keyword, and then check on my focus keyphrase, it is my target keyword, and then copy it to my slugs. Slugs mean the URL. The URL, it is mean it is a slugs, right? The slugs is mean it is a URL, and write about some meta description. The meta description is that description that shows in Google search consoles to the user, right? And it is a mobile result, and it is the desktop or PC result, right? And from here, and right, it is okay, it is okay, and from here, right, we see the settings, and from here you choose your categories, right? You have choose your categories, jobs, search your category, private jobs, right? And from here, technical category, by department technical. We have also discussed one by one the categories, the tags, all other cheese, the SEO, the keyword, inshallah, in this course, right? We select our keywords, and you also select your tags, right? Our tags is latest jobs in Pakistan and jobs in Karachi, right? We have choose our 2 tags, and from here you choose your feature image. The feature image, what is the feature image? The feature image, for example, I open our best website, WP beginner, right? So open this website, so it is the feature image. The image that you see with the post is called the feature image. So from the feature image you is edit from here. Click on feature image and click on set feature image. Go to my library, and there are many pics in my library. So you have choose any pic about related to your post, right? So I choose that job post to as my feature image, and you write your alter text and jobs in Karachi for SEO purpose, right? And title and description, also edit a caption, and click on set featured image, and it will be set, right? It means show feature image in the post list only, but hide it in the single post view. It means when you check on it, when someone see your post list, the feature image will be visible, and when someone open your post, the feature image will be disabled. So uncheck this, and from here show sharing button like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Reddit, etc. And from here it is many things. We also write some videos about, inshallah, in about WordPress block editor. So it is our first post in our WordPress website, and from here you click on publish, and it says share this post, and this post will be shared automatically on my social sharing website like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Tumblr. So single tweet, right? And okay, and then I click on publish, so my post will be published. So my post is published, post published. So click on post and open a link to see my post, right? No, my post is published. It is the slugs, right? It is the slug. The slug is that. The URL is called is the slug. You also change your focus keyphrase in your previous WordPress post, but you does not mistake to change your slugs, right? So our post is published. Young classified jobs in Karachi, right? Leave a comment, and Walia Freddy, and it is our pig, right? From here you like it, and it is our sharing button. So student, it is our first post in our WordPress website to how to create your post in your WordPress website. Thank you for watching this video.